Welcome back to my channel. If you have been struggling with wing liner, this video is for you. Today I am taking you through my step-by-step wing liner technique using a gel liner and sharing a few tricks that help me get a cleaner finish. So let's begin. For this look, I'm using a gel liner. I have always found gel liners easier to control because I can build the shape slowly instead of committing to one harsh stroke. The first thing I focus on is not the liner itself, it's the angle. If the angle is wrong, no amount of fixing later will make the wing look right. So I simply follow the direction of my lower lash line and sketch out the wing first. Notice how I am not trying to get it perfect in one go. Small strokes give you much more control. Once I'm happy with the shape, I connect it back to the lash line and fill everything in. And I'm using small strokes to balance the liner. Once the outer wing is in place, I move to the inner corner and create a very thin liner along the lash line. Keeping the inner corner thin helps elongate the eyes while still keeping the look soft and balanced. It also helps the eyes look sharper and edgy. Repeating the same process for the other eye. Notice how I am checking both sides to ensure similarity. At this stage, if your wing doesn't look perfect, don't panic. This next step is exactly why I keep a flat brush nearby. A tiny bit of concealer and suddenly the edges look clean, sharp and much more professional. This little trick has saved me more times than I would like to admit. After cleaning up the wing, I am brightening the under eye area with concealer. After blending the concealer, I'm setting it with a pressed powder from back. This helps lock everything in place, prevents creasing, and keeps the under eye area looking smooth for longer. Then comes a step I never skip, curling the lashes. Even the best liner can look incomplete if the lashes aren't lifted. And of course, mascara ties everything together. And here is the finished look. Sharp wing and eyes that instantly look more defined. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a makeup tip from me.